Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to read about the material how to give a good speech. We are all called upon to make a speech at some point in life, but most us don't do a very good job. This article gives some suggestions on how to give an effective speech. Paragraph number one. So you have to give a speech and you're terrified. You get nervous, you forget what you want to say, you tremble over words, you talk too long, and you bore your audience. Later you think, thank goodness, it's over. I'm just not good at public speaking. I hope I never have to do that again. Okay, the explain about common feeling, fear, and anxiety that many people experience when have to speak in public. For example, when you feel nervous before school presentations or before work meeting. That Okay, number two, cheer up. It doesn't have to be that bad. Here are some simple steps to take the pain out of speech making. First of all, it's important to plan. Do your homework, find out everything you can about your subject, and at the same time, find out as much as you can about your audience. Who are they? What do they know about your subject? Do they have a common interest? Why are they coming to hear your speak? Put yourself in their shoes as you prepare your speech. This emphasizing the importance of thorough preparations. The key to successful speech is to research on the topic, or the most importantly, understanding your audience. For example, before presenting seminar, find out what issue are frequently discussed, and what will be attend, and what their expectation. This way you can prepare points that are relevant and interesting to them. Okay, number three, ask yourself the purpose of your speech. What is the occasion? Why are you speaking? Are you introducing another speaker, moderating a discussion, giving a lecture, convincing someone? There are many possible speaking roles, and each one has its own special characteristic. Make sure you know into which category you fit. Don't spoil your speech by confusing one speaking role with another. Yeah? Okay, this explain it's important to identify a specific purpose what your speech. For example, when you ask to be wedding MC, yeah, your focus is on organizing event. Okay, number four. Let us suppose that you have been asked to introduce the main speaker at the conference. First, find out the most important and interesting things about the speaker. Then, summarize this information is in few remarks. It is alright to tell a joke or an anecdote if it is a good test and will not embarrass the speaker. And most important, be brave. Remember, you are not a main speaker. You are introducing the main speaker. Summary of this paragraph. If your role is introduce speaker, focus on the key and interesting them about the speaker and keep them concise. For example, before your friends step up to receive an award, a company event, yeah, you ask to give brief introductions. And then number 5, if you are a moderator, you should begin by giving a quick introduction of the people on the panel. After that, you should try to keep the discussion running smoothly, and you should try to focus on the connections between speakers. Keep yourself in the background, don't talk too much, and don't interrupt the panelists. Be tactful and be considerate. Number 6, if you are giving a lecture of explaining an idea, gather as many facts as you can on your subject. Spend plenty of time doing your research, then spend plenty of time organizing your material so that your speech is clear and easy to follow. Use as many examples as possible and use pictures, cheers, and graphs if they will help you make your point more clearly. Never forget your audience. Don't talk over their head and don't talk down to them. Treat your audience with respect. They will appreciate your truthfulness. 7, if you are trying to sell some things, you will need to confine your audience. Do you want them to vote for a candidate? Are you offering them a few? Improve a toothbrush. This kind of speech is usually dramatic, but here too, you must do your research and know your fact. Number 8, when you are making your speech, try to relax, speak slowly and clearly, and look at people in your audience. Use simple vocabulary and impression whenever possible. Pause for a few seconds now and then to give your audience a chance to think about what you have said. If it is a large room or an auditorium, you will probably have to use a microphone. And 9, just remember, be prepared. Know your subject, your audience, and the occasion. Be brief. Say what you have to say, and then stop. And be yourself. Let your personality come through so that you make person-to-person contact with your audience. And the lesson 10, if you follow this simple step, you will see that you don't have to be afraid of public speaking. In fact, you may find the experience so enjoyable that you volunteer to make more speech. You're not confined yet. Give it a try and see what happens. Okay guys, maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.